Hello there, and you're very welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and thank you for watching. Today, I'm going to speak about a freelance site called People Per Hour to get you some voiceover work. Hopefully, it's a good place to get some voiceover work. I'm going to show you how you can advertise yourself on there and hopefully get some jobs. Now, People Per Hour is like I said, it's a freelance site used by lots of different people for a long time, freelance sites, web designers, etc. But it's become increasingly more popular for voiceover, for voice actors and people advertising their voiceover services on there. So there are three ways of basically getting work on People Per Hour. I'm going to quickly show you now. Just bear with me. Okay. Right. So we're on the People Power site now, as you can see. You can quite easily sign up. Your profile, the usual details, about yourself and, what you're about. You're a voice actor, a voice artist. Once you're here, like I said, there are three ways of getting work on People Per Hour. One of them is to create downloadable demos in your portfolio, which you'll do in your profile quite easily. Yes. Another one is to look for work. So basically every day, or sometimes, basically every day, clients will advertise jobs, or what they call as projects. So I'm going to search a project now. Okay. It's been quite slow for some reason. Once again, here we are. So here are the freelance projects. Now I'm just going to type in voiceover. Okay. Right. As we can see, this one's 9 days ago, 7 days ago, etc. When the clients post, what they're looking for. And in general, people will advertise a price per hour, but what's happened to me a lot of times is somebody said, look, I've only got 30 words. How much can you do this for? And I will create an offer for them, kind of in the messenger, and they will accept. So let's say just click on this, for example, to give you a look. So an audio book narrator for a 15,000 word book, which for $120, I think is quite steep. But if you're starting out, I think you might go for it. Personally, I wouldn't fancy it. I'm not, wouldn't be my thing. If it was my thing, so basically you'd enter in your proposal. Hi, my name is, this is what I do. Click on here to attach your file. And then you just basically would add it in here. You add in the price. Now the amount has to be almost the same as what they've got here, 120. So otherwise they won't really accept it. You'll get a little flash up point, a little a box will pop up saying, look, you have to go closer to what everyone else is, which is around the $120 mark. And then you send and feature, and basically you wait and see if the client will come to you. Now that seems like a bit of work. It's the same on a lot of these sites if you're looking for an audition. Another way of doing it is to post an offer. And this is my favorite way of basically getting work on People Per Hour, because then the client can come and find you. You've created your offer, carry on about your day on your other voiceover sites. And when they like something that you've offered, they'll come and order from you, and you'll get a little notification and you've got the work, and it's always going to be there. By the way, I should mention People Per Hour is a free to join site. So it won't cost you a penny or a dollar to, or a cent to join. They do take, like most sites, take 20%, but like I said, it's ever growing, it's getting bigger. And this, really, it's something to definitely join. And like I said before, if you've got more, as my granddad used to say, more fishing rods in the water, you've more chance of catching more fish. So join as many of these sites as possible. So sorry for rambling on, but okay, we shall go to the offer. So here's my profile. I click on this and post offer. Okay. Now, things are a little bit slow for me today, so bear with me. Here we go. So today what I'm going to do on this is I'm going to offer myself as a Scottish voiceover service, because I can change my accent I can be Scottish quite easy. So that's what I'm going to do. So I can voice over 100 words in a Scottish accent. And I'll say 25 euros. Okay, I mean, you might go cheap if you're starting off. You might say I can voice 100 words in an American accent for $5 or $10, whatever, and you can change it as you go along. But to gain you some reviews, I've had a few reviews already on people per hour. So, I'm just, for example, I'll go with 25. When will you deliver this offer? This is up to you. Obviously, you'll get work faster if you can put, 1 day. So I'm going to leave it at 1 day. The category is music and audio, and the subcategory is down to the bottom, and voiceover. Now you can't actually put Scottish accent or Scottish voiceover in the tag. So what you can do is basically what they suggested. So just put in voice, and it'll pop a voiceover. You're allowed 5 of these. So voice again, and voiceover artists, voice acting, voice, male voiceover, voice. I think there's another one. Voice talent. Okay, right. So that's my 5 tags done. Now with these, you can't actually upload an MP3 audio file or a WAV file. You can upload a video if you've uploaded video with your audio voiceover demo on it. Or another thing, what I've spoke about before, a really good thing to do is to upload a demo onto YouTube. So I'm going to show you what I've done before. Bear with me now. I'll go back to my screen. Okay. Right, I seem to be having a couple of issues here, but here we go. All right, my internet's a little bit slow or something. Maybe it's my PC today, but yeah. So basically, I've uploaded my my audio demos onto YouTube. So basically, just upload the file, put in a thumbnail, create a video, and then this one, as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm going for a Scottish voice demo. I've actually put in the thumbnail podcasts, commercials, etc. So I'll just give it a quick listen to show you. My finest Scottish accent. If you're looking for a Scottish accent, you certainly came to the right place. Or you might be looking for something more manly, like a Scottish warrior. Well, I'm your man also. All you have. Well, that's a bit jumpy today, but you get the message. So basically, I'm copying the URL from the YouTube video, and I go back to people per hour. Now, this part here, embed from other sites. I click in my Scottish one, embed the comment, or the URL, should I say. And as you can see, it's popped up there. So when somebody looks at my my offer, it'll bring them straight to that YouTube video, okay? Which is quite easy. Now, like it says, there are options here. You can import from portfolio. You can upload videos or photographs, but really, a video will work if you've got one. But, I mean, my advice to you is to, if you can, upload as many demos as possible to YouTube, because it's so easy, not just for people per hour, but a lot of these sites, Upwork as well. And if you're sending someone wants a quick sample of your voice, you can go, here's a link, boom. And also if you can put your thumbnail on there as well, it kind of looks better to have a bit of a, a picture to go with the sound. Okay, now to save you and me time, without dragging on, the details I have already saved in here. Okay, so basically it's just putting, what I say. There we go. Okay. Describing my service and telling about myself. I'm punctual. I have a good Scottish accent, and yeah, delivered on time and satisfaction guaranteed, etc., etc. The normal stuff that you would put in. Now, the description, again, it's basically, you can put in whatever you want. This one's a bit tricky, as in they want it between 120 to 150 characters. So I've just, here we go, copy this as well, pre-done this to save you and me time. So post it into this little box here. There we go. Now here's an option. I've said up above, as you can see, I can voice 100 words in a Scottish accent for 25 euros. They've also given you an option to do an additional service, an add-on service. So to give the client an incentive to purchase more, let me say I can voice over 200 words in a Scottish accent. And so, 100 for 25. Should it be 200 for 50? I'll offer them for 45. Yes, so they'll get a little bit of a deal here. And you can also add in, I can deliver all the work for an extra whatever you want in so X amount of days. That's optional. That's up to you. So now, what do I need from the buyer to get started? So, of course, you'll need a script and you'll need some instructions, really. So send me a script and explain. Oh, here we go. This is my mistake. Exactly what you need. Okay, jolly good. So just click confirm here before I carry on. So just have a quick run over. I've put in my one-day delivery, 25 euros for 100 words. My tags, which are really important if people are looking for you, voice actor, voice artist, male voiceover. I've chose to embed my YouTube video, which you couldn't hear quite. I don't know why it kind of, kind of blipped there when we're trying to listen to it. I think it might be my internet today, but however, it does work fine. You can have a look on my YouTube channel at my Scottish accent, and the video actually does work fine. So basically, this is it. And now we check everything is in order. Again, this is up to you. You can go with, to build some reviews with $10 for 100 words, whatever you like. That's your option. And as you build up more reviews, you can charge more and create more and more offers. So basically, everything's in order. Like I said, click on post offer. And of course, my internet is quite slow today for some reason. There you go. So it's in my offers, and that's it. And well, okay, here we go. The technical gremlins are out in force today. But yeah, that's basically it. And you can create as many as you want. So you can say, I can do an IVR phone message. I can do an e-learning. I can voice your audio book. I can do different accents, whatever you want, and post as many offers as you want on people per hour. And sometimes you'll forget all about them. You'll concentrate on other sites, and then you'll just get the email that somebody's seen your offer and they've accepted it, and it's work. And like I said, all these fishing rods in the water will catch more fish. So join as many sites as possible. People per hour is something that's growing. So there's a good chance that you'll get some work on there. And I really hope you do. I hope this helps. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. I'll try and make as many as I can to help you, because I wasn't I was where you were not that long ago. I'm not in the voiceover world that long, but I've done quite well so far. So yeah, hit subscribe to the channel. Also, if you've any questions at all, stick them in the comment section. And as always, happy voiceover.